Time to eat. Oh, let's see what we got going on here. Nice little horde. People standing out there watching me. Cool. That's weird. No plug or anything to it. Just a, I mean, this is literally nothing. Just a display. People watching me. All right, everybody. So way too much metal back there to pass up, but so many people out there this morning, and it is the Walmart dumpster. I just don't want to get run off right now when I got great opportunity in that dumpster to pick up stuff. So I'm going to go down here to Lowe's and pick up some material for my subcontractors that are working on a roofing job that I got for them in my favorite scrapping place, St. James, because I get so much stuff in there that's amazing. If you check out my other videos, scrapping St. James, wow, I get some pretty amazing stuff there. So my guys are working there today, or my subcontracting crew. I'm gonna go get them some ridge vent, and I don't think they need that first thing this morning. So before I do that, I'm gonna go check out another dumpster. And this is a thrift store that I got around here. They throw away a lot of good stuff. If you go inside this thrift store, everything in there is ridiculously expensive, ridiculously. So I see why they don't sell it. So after it's been in there for a while, they literally throw it in their dumpster, no matter what it is. Shirts, clothes, pants, whatever. Pots and pans, stuffed animals, glasses, I mean, you know, drinking glasses of all different kinds, board games, books, you name it. It goes in this trash can. Anything you can imagine that's at a thrift store anyway. So I'm gonna go right now, check out my thrift store, see what's in there. It's Saturday, so they're closed. See what they threw in there this week, if anything. And it had some rain, so sometimes the stuff on the bottom gets ruined. But I'm gonna run down there and see what they got real quick. All right, let's see what we got back in here today. Oh goodness, they've been throwing. Throwing a lot of stuff in here. It's dirty. cute. That is cute. That is cute. Gotta have that. Gotta have that. That's nice. One of my favorite dumpsters, to be honest with you. I always get some good stuff out of here. Oh, got a big old couch in there. How in the world did they get that thing in there? Alright, I'm either gonna have to get inside take that. Heavy. It's interesting. I like that book. People like books. Look at that, Lazy Susan. Disgusting. Really. Back scratcher. I have no idea. What the hell? Remember, this is a thrift store, so. What? Yoga. Empty. Brand new picture album. Brand new. flea market stuff right here. Nice flea market stuff. I have a feeling I'm getting in this damn can. Just got a feeling I'm getting in it. Wish they didn't have so much big stuff in there. Tables, board games, DVDs, glass, interesting. What is it? Remington. Curling iron. I don't even know what that is. Keep that box. Oh, look at there. Got spinners. Even have spinners in them. Fidgets. Fidgets. Look there. Fidget. Figured while I was out here, I might as well see what's here. This is where I got all that copper from. See what they got today. See what they got today. All that stuff came off the roof there. Look at there. Looks like we got a unit. Doesn't appear to be hooked to anything. It ain't. It's hose. It's nothing. Get that right on my trailer. I'm gonna back right up to that thing. I already got a ladder, 37th Street, all aluminum, and satellite dish, bicycle stand, a few things out of my Walmart dumpster. I'm gonna back right over to that thing. Got to go with me.
can come back more there. A lot of nails. I can come back more there. Yeah, coming back more. All right, back it up. The thing heavy. The thing is heavy. That's it. Scrapping with Grandpa. Let's see what we can do with this big bad boy without getting any nails in my feet. Alright. Alright, here we go. There's nothing. I ain't gonna say that I can, but I'm damn sure gonna try. Oh, I'm gonna take off of this thing. Oh yeah, we can get that. Come on. The heavy side is over there, so I like to put the heavy side up. This is heavy. I don't know about that. Either way, I don't know about that. Heavy. Alright. Let me tip it up a little bit. I gotta get that thing in there. That's what happens when you work by yourself. Might help me out a little bit. Let's see what's going on here. Boy, that thing is heavy. I don't think I'm gonna be able to get that, guys. Damn it. What's gonna make it easier? Ramp. Look at that. Oh yeah, I'll roll it right up that ramp. Nice. Alright, new plan. What do you do when the first plan don't work? Heavy. Make a new one. So, oh goodness gracious, I have to get back in there, borrow their ramp, and roll that thing up on there. That's what I'm gonna do. Roll it. Alright. That still ain't gonna be easy. I'm gonna give it a shot. Here we go. Here goes nothing, honey. That thing ain't no joke. Come on now. Uh-oh. Metal on metal. Wants to just slide down. So, Maybe we can just slide it up. Yes, sir. Whew. That wasn't no joke. All right. Garbage. Looks like found a couple bed frames. See what we got over here. Somebody's throwing away their fucking furniture. That's nasty. Why? Why would somebody do that? I don't know. But it's not a dumpster for your furniture, people. Bed frames. You can either sell them if they're in good shape. This one is. Yeah, if they're in good shape, you can sell them. Bed frames. Alright, we had a dead battery there. Had to re-up the battery. But anyway, this is a private dumpster for this store. I guess there's some people deciding that they're going to use it as their own. But I tell you, these, unless they come from the store, I don't know, but these bed frames are not in bad shape. Bed frames, hell, I can sell them for $5, $10 a set. I'll bring them right into my storage building. I'm not gonna go, yeah, $5, $10 a set. Now, I don't know, like I said, if this came from the store, but the feet are not missing. I don't see anything missing, really. Bolt right there on that one missing. But either scrap metal or selling at the flea market. I wouldn't throw them away. This thing looks brand new. Looks brand new. Yeah. Ouch. Got my fingers in between. Yeah, bed frame. Uh-oh, that one's missing a foot. Missing a foot right there. See if the foot's over here. I don't see the other foot. There it is. Got it. Yeah. Right. I don't know if that's the right foot or not, but awesome. Nice little find. Bed frames. Earlier this morning I came in here. There's a lot going on. Somebody got their radio blaring, that's for sure. There's a lot going on out back, so I chose to drive away. It's now 10:30. I'm gonna just go by here one more time since I gotta go across the street to get some gas. Looks like I got about 1/8 of a tank. I found a few things in here this morning, some display items that have no cords or anything, so I guess it's going to be basically just shred. Oh,
But there were some things back here I would love to take out of that dumpster. Throw it in the back of my trailer since they got it overloaded. I mean, it is definitely overloaded. Let's see what we can get. Think there's anything in them. They're empty boxes. Literally, there's no metal in them or anything. Don't see anything here for me. Got to go. I'd like to have that. All right, that's all I see. I'm out. See what we got here. There's
a little bit more wire. Aluminum. Aluminum. Gotta have shred to pay for the gas. Shred pays for the gas. And you got your copper and brass, aluminum, everything you take apart. Pays your pocket. So if you add them all together, that's where you come out with positive and not negatives. There you go. Take it. That little bit counts for something. Let's go. Bed frames actually sell pretty good, so we'll try to sell them. And a few other things in here we'll bring to the flea market, including some fidgets. Yeah, fidgets. Fidgets. All right. Now that's funny. I gotta say, that is too funny. Look. Water the farting dog. Farting dog. Okay. That's the first I ever heard of that one. That is hilarious. Oh, that is too funny. Somebody's gonna want that book. And last but not least, picked up today, a nice little Fisher Price thing for a baby. Could be cleaned up a little bit. Sold for $5 or $6. Hell, might get $10 for that. All right, those are my finds for today. I'm heading back to the hacienda. Saturday, everybody, and I got work to do. Oh, check this out, everybody. Got me some new t-shirts. Hope you can see that. Make sure you can see it. There you go, t-shirts. Scrapping with Grandpa. Scrap life, baby. I'm out. Might as well show you my other storage building. Lord have mercy. Look at this. Good God. Oh. Yes, more than one storage building. I got some flea marketing to do. $1975. Anyways, this is part of my other stuff I've got to get to selling. Got a lot of it too, let me tell you. A lot of it.